Okay, so as you can see, I drive a Beamer, and I'm about to travel under these conditions. Look at that. Rockford, Illinois, 2011. Monstrous blizzard. I don't know, that's about 3-4 feet from the drift that was going on. Let's see if I got a clear pathway here. I'm good all the way up to here. Shit, I'm gonna slip. Okay, I'm good all the way, probably up to the stop sign. And then there's a whole bunch of stuff laying around over there from the shoveling that the city did. So, might have to pick up the speed to get out of there with that. And let me tell you, Beamers, not so good in the winter. Brand new tires, but we'll see where we're at. Anyways, check in with me later. See if I get stuck or not. I'll give you some footage of that. Peace, YouTube.